Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back again and I'm back with a challenge. Today I'm doing the one dip challenge. Guys, I don't even know how it's gonna go, but yeah, I hope it's gonna go well. Let's get into the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, also subscribe to my channel. Until next time. So basically with the one dip challenge, what you do is you use the first dip. If you're not dipping, the first product to come out, that's what you're gonna use for the whole face. So I'm hoping, guys, it's gonna turn out for my breast because wow, I'm not sure about it. So I'm gonna start with my Maybelline New Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and I'm just gonna drop. So this is what I'm gonna be using for my whole face. My word. And right now I'm gonna go into foundation, and I opt for this Maybelline Superstay foundation because it's a pump. It's gonna do me justice. So I'm hoping for the best. Let's go. Oh my word. This is what I'm gonna be using for my whole face. Oh my word. I'm gonna make sure I'm using the last product. I'm going in with my beauty blender to just blend out the foundation. This is gonna give me some natural look kind of thingy. Oh guys, I'm hoping for the best. I'm serious here. And to highlight my face, I'm going to be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer and in the shade Toffee. Yes. Okay. This is what I'm going to be using. And I'm going to be going in with my concealer brush to just highlight my face. I hope this will redeem me, yeah? And I'm going to be going in with my beauty blender again. Hey, drama. This is going to be a whole lot of dramatic look, I guess. Guys. Okay, and I'm thinking I should use my LA Girl Pro Concealer to contour my face because, well, okay, let me just use my sticker and I'm gonna just go in with a foundation, with a contour foundation brush to just dip it. Oh my word. Okay, I'm gonna be using this foundation brush to just, oh, I hope. Did I even get some products, guys? I didn't. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna be using this LA Girl one to contour. It's in the shade Coca. Yes. And this is it. Guys, I don't even know what I'm doing, but oh my word. I'm not just blending in this one. I'm gonna be using this one to just blend in my contour. shush. Shush. My brows. And with the drawing, there's no way I can say one dip, but I'm just gonna draw. I'm gonna apply the whole principle thing when it comes to the concealer. Okay. And now I'm gonna go and conceal my brows and oh my word, this is for both brows. Let's watch the drama unfold, guys. The second dip for the other brows. And for the upper one, I'm gonna be using the beautiful bronze LA concealer. Oh, where? Okay, here's my first tip. And guys, this is for two brows. And just gonna use my the rest of my concealer, the one I had to prep for eyeshadows. Oh, guys, it's about to get lit. And for my eyeshadows, hello. For my eyeshadows, I'm gonna be using this nude palette. I don't want to use the other palette, guys. Just want something simple and nice. I'm gonna be going into this one. This is my deep for both eyes. Oh my word. I'm just gonna blend. Oh my word. And guys, I don't want to complicate things. I'm gonna be going in with this brown shade here and one dip also. This is how our grannies used to do their eyeshadows back then. Maybe the mine is bad. I'm gonna be using this to just do I don't even want anything dramatic right now. I look good like this. What else? I'm gonna set my face, my whole face. I'm not even gonna be baking, doing all of these things. Staying away from drama. Using my powder brush and this wow powder. And here's my deep, my deep for the whole face image. And I think I'm done with my makeup. The only thing left is I'm gonna do my blush and I'm gonna highlight my face. I'm gonna be using this shade and one tip. My word. And to blend in my blush, I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna be highlighting using this one. One tip. And I hope I still have some product here. It's just me. Just to do that, I'm gonna be using this Chem Lip Therapy just to put for my lip gloss on my lipstick. And also it's a one dip kind of thing. Sure, sure. Should be. So guys, I'm done. Basically the main challenge that the main purpose of this challenge is to use as minimal makeup as possible. I don't even know how I look, but yeah, I hope I look better, but this is not so me. The girl is back. So yeah, guys, this is it. I hope I look better. Yo. So yeah, I hope I don't look disastrous, but this was my one dip challenge. And yes, guys, until next time, I'm coming back with another challenge. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.